Welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. Welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. Today how you can check your Airtel data balance in 2020. How you can check your Airtel data balance and other codes to check other functions in your Airtel line. For you to check your Airtel data balance, all you have to do is to, if your mobile balance, you are using phone, you want to check the mobile balance, what you have to do is you type *123# *, that is *123# *123# for you to check what your Airtel mobile balance. So for you to check your data balance for your internet balance, all you have to do is just to dial *123 10# *123 10# for you to check your internet balance. If you're using a modem on your laptop or you're using any of the MTN service, that's how you can check your internet balance. So what you have to type is what *123 10# to check your internet balance, your data balance. Also, for you to check your Airtel SIM balance, SMS balance, your Airtel SMS balance, all you have to do just to dial *123 7# to check your Airtel SMS balance. So that's how you can check your SMS balance on your phone. So all you have to do is just to dial what *123 7# to check your Airtel 3G data balance. For you to check your Airtel 3G data balance, some phones are 3G compliant, some SIM are 3G, some are 4G. So depending on your SIM, if your SIM is 4G, what you're going to use now is *121 *8# for you to check your 4G data balance. You're using a 4G SIM. If you're using 3G SIM, all you have to do is use *123 11# to check your Airtel 3G data balance. You could see there are different ways you can check them. They are not the same way. So these are the functions in your phone that you have to know how you can check them. Also, in case you are using a night browsing, you are using night browsing plan, all you have to do is to dial *123 197# to check your Airtel night data balance. Also, if you want to know your Airtel number, maybe you are using the phone, you just bought the phone, you don't know the number of your phone, the phone number, all you have to do, and it's Airtel line, all you have to do is to dial what? Dial *282# *282# to check your Airtel number. So these are the ways you can check all these functions on your Airtel line. So let me come again now. For you to check your Airtel data balance and other function on your Airtel line, all you have to do is to dial on your phone, just type *123# to check your Airtel mobile balance. Okay, for you also to check your internet balance, you can also use *123 10# to check your internet balance. So for you to check your Airtel SMS balance, you have to type or dial *123 7# to check your Airtel SMS balance. For you to check your Airtel 3G data balance, you have to dial *123 11# to check your Airtel 3G data balance. Also, to check your 4G data balance, all you have to do is to dial *121 *8 for you to check your 4G data balance. For you to, if you are on night browsing plan of Airtel, all you have to do to check your balance is to dial *123 197# to check your night data balance. If you also bought a new phone, maybe you don't know the Airtel line, you want to know the Airtel line, the number of your line, what you have to do is just for you to dial what? *282 *282# to reveal your Airtel number for you. I hope this tutorial and this guide is helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Guys, to everything. Just click on the red button below to subscribe. And also, if you have any comments, don't forget to use the comment box below to make your comments, and we will reply to your comments as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to be part of all our videos by way of subscribing to the channel, so that I can get a notification whenever we upload a new video to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye. God, don't forget to share it with your friends. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. See you in our next video. Thank you. Bye.